The wolf is with the butcher. Terrorist cells in the city will hide them. Bravo will clear house to house in search. My people will help you. If they try to escape to the mountains, there is only one road. Tariq al-Mut, the highway of death. The Russians bombed it during the invasion, killing the people trying to escape. There is a village at the crossroads. I sent Hadir and his fighters there to prepare an ambush. Alex and I will join them and take up firing positions above the road, lying in wait for the wolf. The highway is below us. Hadir has reinforcements in position to ambush the wolf.
We're easy prey for the Russians out here.
Yes, our window is short. Barkov's men will be on the hunt. He has lost control. He will come to take it back. It is your home! Let's move. We have to cut the wolf off at the pass. Before the war, this village had families and laughter.
Laughter is the best medicine.
Tell me a joke.
What happens when the CIA goes to sleep?
What?
They go undercover.
Not bad.
Probably better in English.
You told it in English. Kalian Arab.
حاضر معلم.
Hadir took the high ground for us. My father called Hadir Shabal, his little lion.
What happened to him?
He died, fighting.
قوات القتلة الخاصة أدمين سيدتي.
خبرنا شو بصير. Alex, this way. Hadir is waiting for us. I told him to bring everything he's got.
Alex, check this out. 338 Lapua, armor piercing at 600 meters. I put it together myself. Please, use it.
Solid heater.
Protect her with your life. She will do the same for you.
Thanks, Hadir.
Perfect for this distance. I'll spot for you, Alex.
We are brothers now. Make me proud, Alex.
Look through your scope. Let's get you dialed in. Look for the glinting light near the highway.
Got it.
Now adjust your magnification. Increase your zoom, Alex.
On it, Commander.
How formal. Ali, التقي بالباقيين.
حاضر معلمتي.
Stay with him and you'll see my team near the road.
Yep, I see him.
They'll support us when we attack the Al-Qatala convoy. Aya, هتلنا هدف جنب الباص.
تكرمي بنت العم.
انتو اخواني. Vertical notches adjust for distance. Each one is 200 meters.
سر جاهز.
هتموا تفجير. The target is 400 meters away. Aim 2 notches above it. Miss.
Don't let her scare you, Alex.
Hit!
She speaks to you, Alex.
My brother, your biggest fan. Let's try another target at a different range. There's a blue house in the distance. Can you see it?
Visual on the blue house.
There's fruit on the icebox. Range 600 meters. Fire when you're ready. Melanites. On top of the icebox. Aim lower to the right. Hit!
تسويبك ممتاز.
I heard that.
Yahayowen. Pay attention, boys. You should be dialed in now. Remember, use the environment to your advantage. Flags for wind direction, landmarks for distance.
Understood.
Good. Now, watch the highway for activity. They won't be long now.
Nothing but the wind.
I got something. By that moving oil pump.
Just some strays.
Keep scanning the road. The wolf will be here soon.
مركبي وحدة جاي من الشرق.
ماشي. لا تهاجموا. They spotted the vehicle. Right side. Could be the wolf or his men.
Looks like we finally got some company.
They're scouts for the wolf. Hold your fire. Wait for a clean shot. علي شايفون شي؟
عم يعربشوا للسطح.
Eyes on the roof, Alex. 2 on the roof.
Yep, I see him.
400 meters. Fire when you're ready. Good hit. One more. Nice shot. 2 of the wolf scouts gone. Ali, yalla الروح. Hadir is resourceful. He has them setting a trap for the wolf's men.
Alex, cover the team rigging the truck.
Killing the wolf doesn't guarantee us the stolen gas.
True. What happens if you don't find it?
I have to.
المتفجرات صارت جاهزة. بنت العم.
ماشي. انتظروا الإشارة. The wolf's men will have to move the truck to pass through. Wait until they're close, then detonate it.
بنت العم، شايف موكب جاي من الشرق.
مفهوم. ديروا بالكم على حالكم. The wolf soldiers are here, Alex. Right side of the highway.
3 Alcatala vehicles.
I see. Check fire. Let them get in range.
لازم اهجم؟
لا. خليهم يقربوا أكتر. Closer. Go on. Don't be shy. They see it. They're moving to the truck. Hadir,
I see them.
get ready, Alex. Detonate the truck, Alex. Do it. Hashumu! Open fire! They're to the right of the bus. Hit! Check the windows! Alex, left side! Good hit! AQ on the bus! We're taking cover in the buildings! Good kill, Alex. Inside the bus! The wolf sent reinforcements! Hadir, pull your team back!
We shouldn't have done.
Do it!
Ali, fall back! Get out of there!
Shoot the engines! Stop them!
Aim for the engines, Alex!
It's down! Good hit! Got it! It's down!
Shooters! Alex, take them out!
Look for the metal flash when they fire.
Eyes on. They're down.
Alex, there is another Al-Qatala mortar team. Take them out!
My sights. Clear.
Negative. There's still a mortar out there.
No visual. What do you see?
600 meters. Movement. Near that blue house.
On them. Mortars are clear.
Suicide! Left side! Left side! Stop that truck, Alex! Hit the truck! Hit the truck now! Hit it again! Aim for the driver!
Shoot it, Alex! Shoot it! It's getting too close!
Close call. Good shooting, Alex.
The wolf must be coming, or they wouldn't send these forces to clear the way.
Start planting IEDs, brother. Hadir and I will reinforce the perimeter, Alex. Get to the east bunker and resupply for the wolf.
More explosives, Hadir?
Never too much. Same as before. Enemies get close, detonate them. Watch your distance.
Captain Price is calling on the radio. He says it's urgent. Captain Price is holding for you on the radio, Alex. The captain is... Please.
Please.
Echo 3-1 for actual.
Alex, the wolf fled the city. He's headed your way. The Russians are right behind him.
Get down!
Troops in contact, actual.
Stay low. Don't let him see you.
Copy. On our way.
Stay covered!
Those shots came from the highway.
On them. Wind shifted.
It's much stronger now. You'll have to adjust. 4 notches to the left.
Reacquiring. He's repositioning. He's repositioning. He's repositioning. He's repositioning. Positioning.
He's picking us off, Alex! Find that sniper!
The scope will reflect the sunlight. Look for the glint. Watch for the glint of his scope.
Alex, the wolf fled the
Sniper!
city.
Get
He's
down!
headed your
Troops
way.
in contact,
The Russians are
actual.
right behind.
Don't let him see you.
Copy. On our way.
Stay covered!
Those shots came from the highway.
On him.
Now.
Wind shifted. Got him.
Good kill, Alex.
Al-Qatala is regrouping across the highway.
This could be him. That's 600 meters, Alex. Hit them. Russian mix!
Barkov's army will be here soon. Sister, smoke! White smoke on the left! Alex, find a way to stop them!
Aim for the tires to slow them down! Hit the tires!
Cannot penetrate that armor! Keep it up, Alex!
Good hit!
Keep it up, Alex!
They're continuing their advance! Enemy between the buildings! Over by the dead tank! Enemy on the stairs!
We need more firepower!
We need to move.
Alex! We need help! Where is Captain Price?
We cannot wait! I've got more firepower in the truck! Alex, follow me!
Need to reload! Northwest, watch out! Where?
Get to my truck, Alex!
Go!
My truck is full of explosives! It's time to use them! Open the tailgate quickly! I'll cover us! Open it, Alex!
Russian gas.
Yes! And now we send it back to the Russians! The gas masks are in the bunker! Come quickly!
Andir! What is this? The place not around us. What? The gas! If they can use it, so can we. No, sister, inside! Get off of me! How could you do this? We had no choice, Mara. All bets are off now. No, not like this. Sister. Alex. Listen to me. I stole the gas from the Russians. To help us, only to help us. Tell Farah. Tell her, Alex.
Please wake up, Mom.
Rosanna! Get faster here! I got her! Give her to me! Oh, my sweet boy. Thank God you're back.
Mama!
No! 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 Wait! Where is my son? Where is your dear?
We left him home to study.
But they're gone far. We'll find her, dear, and leave town. Walid! Shadi! They are looking for resistance fighters. We have to go now. Okay, my son is still at home. I will help you, brother. This way.
Papa! I'm scared.
Don't be afraid, sweetheart. We're together. We are unarmed. Sweetheart, I'll go ahead and make sure it's safe. Keep behind me.
Yes, Papa. I will.
Okay, that's my girl. Do as I say, and you will be safe. Okay, let's go. This way. Follow me. There's the Russian team. Follow me, my boy.
You now, Farah. Don't breathe. It's poison. Hurry, Farah. We're home. Farah, the gas will kill us. Get in here. Adir! Adir!
Mama! I heard the bombs. I closed the windows, like you told me.
Good boy. We'll be safe from the gas for now. Come with me to the kitchen, both of you.
Where's Mama?
Mama's not coming. Sorry, my boy.
Why are they doing this, Baba?
They think we helped the rebels. Here, take this mask, okay?
Do we have one for Farah?
Yes, you'll need your own. I'll help your sister. Come. Take these phones. Use them if we get separated. Okay. Cross the bridge and go to the mountains. We'll be safe there. Come.
What if they catch us, Baba?
They will take you away and lock you up.
I don't want to go.
Okay. Listen, I know. We'll come back, I promise. Adir, you be strong for your sister now, okay? You keep Mama here and you keep this clear. That's how we survive. You understand?
Yes, Baba.
Listen, when we get outside, you stay with me, okay?
Baba! Baba!
Oh, get behind me! Please. There's no one here. It's only my children, please.
Yes, Baba.
Listen, when we get outside, you stay with me, okay?
Baba! Baba!
Oh, get behind me! Please. There's no one here. It's only my children, please.
Hide. Hide. Hide.
Проверяю каждый дом. Ребенок здесь. Убить его?
Никак нет. Тащи его к машине.
Hold it! Don't move! Understand? Come on, get out here! Come on out now! Stop hiding! Enough of this! Come out here! I promise I won't shoot, okay? Проверяю каждый дом. Убить его?
Никак нет. Тащи его к машинам.
You stab me! A little baby shit child! The terrorist! This is how I deal with it! Don't worry! I'll take care of you! Time to see father again! Don't run away from me! I told you! I'm coming for you! Don't run away! I'm gonna fucking get it! There's no idea what Santo Cicada, I'm coming for you! I told you I'd find you! Game over, suka! You are going to die here with me! I'll save you! There you are! Got you, suka! Tried to kill me!
Get off her! Stab him, Farah! Kill him! Good, Farah! Against this guy! It's working!
Just your little man!
Don't be afraid. We are together. Okay. Let's check his body. He's too heavy. We have to go. Got it. Come on. We'll go through the poppies. They'll hide us. Let's go. Baba?
My love.
You have to get up.
I can't. I can't go with you.
What do we do?
You survive. Whatever it takes. Never back down.
Goodbye, Daddy. I love you. I can't reach the ladder. Come, I'll lift you. It's stuck. Try to pry it open. You can do it, sister.
Не все виновны. Марков хочет ликвидировать всех.
Okay, we can go. Just stay quiet. You will be safe.
У нас пропал боец. 12. Он не отвечает. Как вы его упустили?
Good. I don't think they saw us.
Начни с этого дома. Пропал боец. Стоим здесь,
Brother, we need to go. It isn't fair. They just kill everything. More soldiers, stay quiet and follow me, okay? We'll go to the back across the road. Okay? Follow me.
Говорят, парковка, с ней людей все меньше. Дома, все очистили. Вряд ли они что-то знают. Тихо. Сюда идет Виктор. Прочесать местность. Сопротивление? Ничего сложного. Женщины, дети идут к машинам. Полный комплект.
Ready? Let's go. Through here. I'll go first to make sure it's safe. Are you hurt? I'm okay. I'm okay. Follow me. Don't worry. Air is safe. We have to go to the bar. Don't let them see you, okay?
We didn't do anything! We're not fighters! Shut up! Get out of the way!
If we run away, they'll catch us. We need that truck. They'll hear you coughing. I will go. Find the gun. And if you get scared, use the phone to distract them. Don't get caught. I won't.
Эй, посмотри! Я нашел револьвер! Ага, сам он и пальцем не пошевельнет. Глянь, прямо новенький. Фига тебе револьвер. Только 6 патронов. Классно! Ага, только не мешай, ладно? Проверить. Как ты думаешь, что это было?
I need that
Без
gun.
понятия. Может, животное?
Не похоже на животное.
Сверчок, наверное.
Слишком светло. Они выходят по ночам.
Может, газа на него?
Какой сверчок?
The gun.
Что, газа надышался?
Get the gun.
Где-то там был.
Пошли.
Вроде затихло. Что бы это ни было. Ну вот опять. Что за... Девчонка! Эй!
Don't get caught. I won't.
Поспорю.
Эй, посмотри! Я нашел револьвер. Ага, сам он и пальцем не пошевельнет.
Фига тебе револьвер. Только 6 патронов.
Ну не такой. Классно!
Трофей потом. Сперва найди этих уродов.
Ага.
Слышал?
I need that gun.
Как ты думаешь, что это было?
Без понятия. Может, животное?
Не похоже на животное.
Сверчок, наверное.
Слишком светло. Они выходят по
The
ночам.
gun.
Может, газа на
Get the gun.
Какой сверчок? Ты что, газа надышался? Вроде пусто.
There's the gun.
Где-то там был.
Пошли. Ну вот опять. Игрушки играет. Who's out there? Show yourself. Найди эту суку. Слышал? Проверить. Где-то там было. Пошли. Не вижу цели, значит ничего. Лука! Нет! I know you are there! Вот сучара! She's just a girl! Just a stupid little girl! You think I won't find you? Ah, you'll be fooled for the fun!
You did it! You saved us! Let's get out of here! Let's get out of here! I'll drive!
Возьмите его! Сюда!
Let go! Let go! No! Get off me! Para!
So you're the little devils that killed my soldier. Отлично.
You were right. You were right.
Where is he? Where is he?
God, Father.
Hadir!
Farah!
Hadir!
Stop!
Manek!
Stop, Farah! Stop!
You can't be with it! It was Hadir. Hadir is the thief. Sorry, Captain. I didn't know.
There's no way you could have known. It's okay, Father. We'll get him.
We need to unhouse this target. Now!
My brother always wanted to fight without rules. Now he's broken all of them.
Hadir went north. He was picked up by AQ fighters in the foothills.
Voluntarily or by force?
We don't know.
I'm sorry, Father.
Your brother
He's a terrorist.
is an American asset who is either with or in terrorist hands.
Hadir's fight's not with us. He could have killed everyone when he stole the gas, but he chose not to.
How do you know this?
I was there, trying to stop it.
Why didn't you tell me?
We believed it was Al-Qatala. We didn't know it was him.
We know now. We're going after him tonight.
I'll come with you.
You'll be hunting your own brother.
He is not my brother. Not anymore.
Barkov's gonna put a bounty on his head.
All right, well, let's get him first. Then.
Any further complications and we're at war with Russia.
Well, that don't complicate it. This is a bad idea, Farah.
We take care of our own here.
Well, usually what that means.
It does here. I want Farah on the team. I'm not asking.
Fine. You have execute authority. All of you. Okay, let's brief up. Imagery confirms Hadir was in possession of the remaining stolen gas when he made direct contact with Alcatala's most brutal enforcer, the Butcher. Surveillance tracked their vehicles to a residential complex in the Acris Mountains, believed to be the Wolf stronghold. Alex and Farah will hold orbit for secondary clearance, while Bravo 6 leads the assault force to locate the chemical agents, retrieve Hadir, and kill the Wolf.
We're in the AO. Lights out.
Let's nail this bastard.
Actual to 3-1, hold orbit.
Roger, action. Standing by.
Lifter 1, visual on target. 15 seconds out.
Roger 1. Nods down, boys. We're on. Center 1, take overwatch.
Check. Center on Overwatch. Perfect.